What if the future of creativity is not being accepted by everyone? While the world is rushing toward artificial intelligence, some artists are doing the opposite. They are resisting it. In a recent story, zine creators artists who produce small, handmade magazines are pushing back against AI. For them, art is not just the final result, it's the process. Zines have always been about being raw, personal, and handmade. And that's exactly why many creators believe AI doesn't belong there. Why are they against AI? Some artists argue that AI removes something essential, the human touch. One creator explained that using AI in zines doesn't make sense, because these works are meant to be imperfect and personal. Others are even creating anti-AI art to protest this shift. There are also deeper concerns, losing creative jobs and originality. But not all creators are against AI. Some see it as a tool. They use it to design layouts or experiment with new ideas. Others believe AI can help people who don't have technical skills express themselves. This is not just about zines. It's about the future of creativity. Even in the creator economy, experts say AI can increase production. But it struggles with authenticity and trust. And that might be the key difference. AI can create content, but can it create meaning? So this is the real question. Is AI helping creativity evolve? Or slowly replacing what makes it human? Because the future is not just about technology. It's about what we choose to keep human.